What's up, guys? It's a hot summer's day and we're gonna go pick up Sam's freshly painted S14. You guys stay tuned for that right now. Sam just pulled up with the truck and trailer right here, and I'm going on a road trip right now. Check out that rear decal though. But this guy dragged me along. It's supposed to be my work day.
What up?
And, what we about to do, Sam?
Pick up the S14.
All right, let's do it. All right, Sam, so the S14's been down for a while. Why don't you tell us what's going on with it?
What's happened with the car was, last video, what did we talk about? When we replaced the head, it was running, it was retuned, making 400 horsepower again.
Which a lot of you guys doubt, so we're gonna make another video about that, you know, since it doesn't look like 400 horsepower, you know.
Right, so I sent the car off for paint. All the rest of the body kit came in. Vertex, we'll show you when we get there. But yeah, the car was dropped off for paint in February. It is now June and we're about to pick it up. You'll see what color it is. I'm probably gonna feature the color on YouTube before anywhere else, so you guys are in for a treat, and we'll see how it looks.
Alright, we right here, just about to see the S14, bro. What you think, Sam?
It don't even look the same car.
Alright, you guys ready for this? Damn. We got the wheels getting rebuilt on it right now. Get this thing ready. The window guys come in, get the windows on.
Are cool, but the next wheels that's gonna get put on is way better.
Yeah, wait till you guys see the rebuilt wheels we're getting on this thing. Yeah, this thing's looking good.
Did you get the pearl? You gotta get it right here.
So this is a white with like a, what is it called? A blue pearlescent. It's kind of probably hard to see on camera, but you can see the flakes on this thing.
That's crazy.
It's just nice.
Look at a little sketched out with the pearl.
Yeah?
I was scared it was gonna yellow it too much, so I just did one coat.
Oh, okay. How did what did you do that? Volkswagen? Purple?
The Volkswagen purple too, one coat as well. And it looks like this, the white's still white.
Yeah.
So I did a spray out and I did
Looking damn good. The ball-by back here. Oh shit, it's it right here. Wait, is this yours?
Yeah.
Oh, it looked like a Scrubby's freaking
It does.
yeah.
The old one? Oh, the new one he has right now, huh?
Yeah. Dang, with the OEM Sylvia front end. Hey, you gotta change anything to do the Sylvia front end on these? Like the core support or anything?
No, nothing. Just the headlights.
Black top SR?
Yeah.
Stock
Everything's
turbo or what?
Stock everything, yep. I just bought a high mount because I saw your shit.
Yeah, the high mounts are clean, dude. You don't scrape it anywhere.
You used to take off this condenser or something?
Yeah, and then put it right over it.
Yeah, so I need a fucking...
This thing got coil packs. From where?
P2M.
Oh, is that what it is?
Little cheapy ones, but it didn't come with it when I got the motorcycle.
Yeah.
Damn, body's straight though, dude.
That's where I got fucked up.
It's originally white and you wanted to do it red?
Yeah, I'm doing it red, everything.
You're doing the opposite of this guy, shit, dude.
So there's the high mount.
Oh, it came in?
Yeah, I got it, everything. Piping and all that shit.
This is the Z or something?
Yeah.
Whoever wants a 2006 350Z, bro, hit him up. It's Edgar.
Strictly drift car, no registration.
Yeah.
No paperwork.
We don't know where it's from.
Cut bumper too, so it's a lot faster.
Damn, what the? Dude, did they fucking potato slice the tires?
Those used to be on my coupe, bro. My other coupe.
What'd you do to the
Scrape up on the fender.
Hey yo, whose Z is this? Is it?
Customers, nice customers.
Is it a 240 or 280?
It's a 240Z.
Oh shit. With S2000 seats? What the fuck? Hey, tell him to sell this thing, bro.
He doesn't want to sell it. I already tried to buy it.
Ah, fuck. Dude, is he at least spraying it original color or different?
He sprayed it, the Toyota, the green, what's his, for the 4Runners.
Oh, like the early model, like the green on the Tundras too?
It's like a light green. I forgot the
light
color.
green?
Yeah.
How light?
It's on the new 4Runners.
Does it look like this though or no?
Similar to this one.
Cause this color is a rare color, dude. The green on this.
No, it's not that green. It's a lighter green.
But is this originally green?
I'm pretty sure the whole inside is green. So.
Dude, if this is the original green, it's called racing green. This shit fucking, it's a rare ass color.
Yeah, he comes and does little patchwork here and there because it has rust.
This is a 240Z too.
Yeah, he comes and welds it up, little days here and there. And then
The floor panels look clean though, no?
There's really no rust. He just passed up that quarter of the rocker panel on the bottom right there. He came last week.
That's hard to find on these things, dude, with no rust, like minimal rust.
Yeah, he tries to do everything. Oh yeah, there's the only shit that's that one right there. It's fiberglass.
Usually that battery tray is rusted the hell out too, dude. His body's straight.
This is the one that you have?
You have one too?
Yeah, I have a couple of them. What year is this one?
I don't even know, bro.
I think if it's a green, I think it only comes in 1970 or 71, so it's an early Model Z. It's worth more. That shit's
he doesn't
dope,
want
dude.
to sell it, bro. I tried copying it off homeboy.
Yeah.
Is it a younger dude or older dude?
A young guy.
Just tell him it's not worth your time, you know, and just take it away from
I
him.
tried to convince him. I was like, you're gonna need a lot of work, bro. Literally, I'll get it.
It is a lot of work, man. Those things cost a grip. Like even compared to 240s, dude, they cost like 2-3 times more to build.
It's the shell.
Yeah, bro.
It's like nothing.
It's dope though.
Yeah, install.
What we doing? What we doing?
They're installing the windshield. They just finished the quarters and the rear glass.
Yep.
And we got to get the door trim. And I slapped on the new taillights.
Alright, check it out. DIY by Sam right here.
You don't want to do this. This took like 40 hours. Like
40 hours, dude.
this bottom strip was red, and you have to spend you have to be real meticulous with it. Parts cleaner, and you just smear the red everywhere. It's a pain in the ass. I would not recommend it, but it came out clean.
It's looking icy, bro. Hella icy. With the side skirts and everything?
Yeah.
You said it, bro. It's already paid for, right?
You can leave it there.
Get out real quick. You're cleared in the back. Go ahead. Just keep it straight. Hold on. I think you're good. We're good.
Ever put the bumper on?
Huh?
The bumper?
Yeah, let me check the back. Yeah, you're cleared. Sketchy ass fit, bro. It's tight as fuck, dude. Like, yeah. God damn. Move it to the right a little bit, just a little bit. Oh, this way, this way, this way, this way, this way, this way. Straight, straight, straight. That motherfucker got the stage 5 clutch and shit.
That clutch is hard as fuck.
Is it?
You like move it in? And I kind of just to see it's like planted, huh?
Yeah.
Tall as fuck. I'm over here.
All right. That's about sums up our video right here. This dude left his fresh ass painted bumper on the gravel
On
and
the
shit.
gravel. Wait till you see what we do.
All right.
Tomorrow, huh?
Big shout out to Edgar for the paint right here. He did an awesome job on it. Car looks freaking awesome. And
Instagram in the description.
yeah, we'll throw our Instagram in the description. Make sure you guys like, follow, subscribe, and
Right now.
yeah. Hit him up next time for fresh paint, like tomorrow. But peace.